Want your buildings to last decades, not just years. The secret is in the steel you choose. Most buildings fail not because of bad design, but because of one sneaky problem: corrosion. Rust creeps in from moisture, salty air, even the monsoon, and slowly eats away at ordinary steel. But SRMB's corrosion-resistant TMT bars fight back. Here are the top 5 benefits. First, they protect your building from rust, so your structure stays strong for years. Second, they boost safety, no hidden weakness behind your walls. Third, they save you money long-term with fewer repairs and less maintenance. Fourth, they're built to handle tough Indian weather, coast, city, or countryside. And fifth, they're easy to work with, making construction smoother and faster. So if you want your next project to stand the test of time, choose SRMB corrosion-resistant TMT bars. Build smart, build strong, build for the future.